everyone, we're going to talk about recycling and resources.
Yeah.
And we're going to show you some ways in which we can recycle and save resources.
Yeah.
Recycling is the process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be thrown away as trash and turning them into new products. Recycling can benefit your community and the environment.
Benefits of recycling: reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills, conserves natural resources such as timber, water and minerals, prevents pollution caused by reducing the need to collect new raw materials.
Steps to recycling materials. Step 1. Collection and processing. Step 2. Manufacturing. And Step 3. Purchasing new products made from recycled materials.
The Earth's resources are limited and it is important that we conserve as much as possible. One way to do this is to recycle waste products. Some forms of recycling happen in nature: the carbon cycle, the nitrogen cycle. They all allow these elements to be recycled.
Benefits of recycling. Resources on the earth are limited. It's important that the way we behave now does not make life difficult or impossible for future generations. To achieve sustainable development, we need to carefully consider the needs of the economic development where standards of living improve, the environment and the resources it provides for us.
Recycling is an important way to help us achieve sustainable development. We can recycle many resources, including glass, metal, paper and plastic.
Glass. Glass is easily recycled. It can be melted and remoulded to make new objects, such as bottles. The energy needed to do this is less than the energy needed to make new glass from raw materials. However, we need to sort the different coloured glass ready for recycling and transport to a recycling plant.
Hi! You should not leave metal hanging around because it does not decompose, because it's not biodegradable and it can rot and cause poisonous things. So you should recycle these boxes and not use the gas inside.
Like glass, it takes less energy to melt and remold metals than it does to extract new materials from their ores. Aluminium is a valuable metal and they melt at relatively low temperatures, and it's particularly attractive for recycling. However, a lot of materials that we use are mixtures called alloys, and it can be difficult to sort different metals ready for recycling.
Paper. Paper is not melted when it is recycled. Instead, it is broken up into small pieces and formed to make new sheets of paper. This takes less energy and therefore we don't have to cut down trees. However, paper can also be recycled a few times before it fibres.
Plastics can be recycled as fleece clothing that we use less crude oil. The raw materials required for plastic and scarce resources that is running out. Different types of plastics have to be sorted out, and this can be difficult. Recycling plastic also stops much of it ending up in landfill sites.
Over the last 200 years, an ever-increasing proportion of our energy has come from non-renewable resources such as oil and coal. While demand for energy rises, these resources are running out and scientists are exploring the potential of renewable resources of energy for the future. Alex is trying to play the piano whilst I'm talking. Anyway.
I'm just going to brush my teeth.